Hello, welcome to By Excellence Tutorials. View yet subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, kindly do so that you also benefit from our videos. And don't forget as well to click on the notification bell so that you get notified automatically every time new content is uploaded. Now, in this video, we continue with basic differentiation rules, of which in this video now we're going to look at quotient rule. So we've done already first principle, power rule, we've done product rule, and now we are looking at quotient rule. So if you want to understand better on those other rules, you can go back and check for those videos. At By Excellence Tutorials, by the way, we tutor courses such as statistics, mathematical methods, physics, chemistry, biology, mention them. So if you happen to also look for a private tutor, you can get in touch with us on the number or on the details in the description box. Let's get started. So when you have a function, u over v, okay, and both u and v are function of x, okay, u of x, then the derivative of this function change in y with respect to the x over v squared. So some other books, you are going to have primes. I think I didn't mention this one. You are going where you have change in y with respect to x is written as y prime equal to u v prime over v squared. So you shouldn't get confused. U prime, it's basically meaning you've differentiated u once in respect to a certain variable. Okay, so that is what it is. So let's get to apply this rule. Let's say we're equal to x over x minus 1. How do we find that one? So we let u be equal to x and v equal to x minus change in u with respect to x. Also here it must also have v squared, x minus 1 squared, like that. So we come to the derivative. Change in y with respect to x is going to be v, and v by change in u with respect to x, which is 1, minus u is x, times change in v with respect to x is x minus 1, x minus 1 minus x over x minus 1. On to simplify, y with respect to x is going to be x minus 1 squared. So x minus negative 1 over x. So this is how we get to solve that one using quotient rule. I think we did solve this one in the first video where we're using first principle, and I think we got this one as well. Yeah, so you can use quotient rule, you get that one. Let's look at another example where we have a function f of over x squared plus 1. Usual engine u with which is actually x plus 1 squared, like that. So change in y with respect to x is going to be what is our v plus 1 multiplying by change in u with respect to x, which is 5x minus 2, multiplying by over v squared, which is x squared plus 1 squared. 5x squared plus 5. Then we have minus 10 squared. So change in y with respect to x is actually, so we have like terms here. We have 5x squared, and then okay, we have again plus here. Let's see. So this one is not going to be squared. Sorry, this one is not going to be squared because we just have 5x minus that. So we are just going to have 4x like that. Okay, so we have that, and then we have plus 4x, then x squared plus 1 the power 2. So you can leave it like that, or can it be differentiated further? Okay, so you can leave it in that state. It's okay. Okay, so the next, try to pause this video and solve it. Pause it for 2 minutes and try to solve it. Okay, so I believe you've solved it. And x plus 3 v squared being 2 with respect to x is 1. With respect to x, we have v, which is x, changing u with respect to 2x plus 3, and change in v with respect to 1. Also, we're going to have 2x over x squared is going to be equal to 2x minus 2x is 0. So that is how you get to solve that one. And then we can also 2 over 3. We're saying let u be squared minus 5, 3x squared minus 5x. Change of u with respect to x is 0. We are differentiating a constant, which is going to give us 0. And then we equal to 6x minus 5. Okay. So we have it's going to be v, which is 3x, change in u with respect to x, which is 0, minus u, which is 2x, which is that over x squared. Okay, so that one is going to be a change. First part is going to give us a 0, and then we're going to have minus 2 by 6x. We get minus 12 over the power 2. So that is how you get to use quotient rule. Okay. So this is how it is, and that is how you get to use quotient rule. So this marks the last question that we are solving, and see you in the next session, where we're going to solve also questions relating to chain rule. Now we're going to look at chain rule. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.